Hello children. Today in Health and Physical Education Grade 1, we are going to learn about Movement Awareness Part 2. What is movement? We know already that movement is the act of moving, change in position or posture. Example, standing, writing, like that. How body parts and sport equipments are related. What do you mean by sports equipments? That is, a sporting good has various forms depending on the sport, but it is essential to complete the sports. In this picture, you are seeing various types of sports equipments like hockey bat, cricket bat, shuttlecock, different types of balls, football, cricket ball, baseball, tennis ball, like that. Relationship between different body parts and sports equipments. The first one is helmet. So, always wear a helmet when you're playing some games like football, hockey, baseball, and skateboard. So, when you're using a helmet, it is a key to prevent you from the head injuries. So, always wear a helmet. The next one is goggles. The goggles help you to protect your eyes when you're doing cycling and also when you're doing swimming. So, goggles will help you to protect your eyes. Mouth guard. Mouth guard can protect your mouth, teeth, and tongue. So, the hockey, volleyball, and wrestling players will use a mouth guard to protect their mouth. The next one, dress, knee, and elbow guard. When you are doing skating, you have to wear a helmet, wrist, knee, and elbow guard to protect yourself from injuries. You know very well that skating is the fastest game. So when you are doing skating, sometime you will fall down and you will get some hurt. To avoid this, you have to wear a helmet. Along with that, you have to wear a wrist, knee, and elbow guard. Keep it in mind, children. You have to wear all these things. Then only you have to do that skating. Knee pad and shoulder pad. You can see in the cricket matches and all, the players are using the knee pad. The next one is a shoulder pad. Mostly in football, goalkeeper and ice hockey players and all, they are using the shoulder pad to protect themselves from the injuries. So that is knee pad and shoulder pad. So, as a grade 1 children, you have to know about the different types of balls. You know one thing children, ball is also a sport equipment. First one you are seeing in the picture, boy is playing with a football. The next one is a man is playing a cricket. So, as a child, you have to differentiate the difference between the football and the cricket ball. So, what you are seeing in the picture, first one is a football, the second one is the cricket ball. The next one, the two players are playing a basketball. So, this is a basketball. In our school also, we are having this basketball. The next one is a tennis ball. So, now you know what is a basketball and what is a tennis ball. So, children, in the picture you are seeing the tennis game. They are using the very small ball to play the tennis. The next one what you are seeing is a golf game. In this they are using a white color small ball and the bat they are using is called as club. So this is a golf ball. The bat is called as a golf club. Children, the next one what you are seeing in the picture is a goal post. The sports like hockey, football and soccer, you can see this type of goal post in the ground. So the player have to put the goal in the corresponding goal post. So this is called a goal post. The next one you are seeing in the picture is a different types of rackets. The first one is a shuttlecock. You know, in our school also we are playing this type of game. The next one is a tennis bat. We already see in the picture the tennis ball and the tennis bat. The next one is the squash. So there is lot of difference between the tennis, squash and the badminton game. You can rectify these doubts when you come to the school. The PT master will clarify how to play the games. Okay, children? So children, next one is a very interesting one, is a hockey stick with a ball. So as a grade 1 children, it is very difficult to handle the hockey stick. When you go to 6th standard or 7th standard, you can play the hockey. The PT master will teach you how to play hockey and they will demonstrate the rules and regulation how to play the hockey game. The next one what you are seeing in the picture is a baseball game. You see the ball and the baseball bat. So children, this is baseball. The next one is a golf club. We already told you that this is a golf game and the bat we are using this for is called as golf club. The children, you know, the footwear, the shoes, sport shoes what we are using for the sports is also very very important. There is a lot of difference between the cricket shoes, football shoes and the shoes which they are using for athletes also. The next important one is gloves. So children, the gloves we have to wear in the hand which will give a grip and power to handle the sports equipments. As children, as a grade 1 children, you have to touch, feel and identify the shapes and the utility and the purpose of the sports equipment. That is very important. So children, what do we like to play to have fun? We are seeing some color balls, plastic stump and cricket bat and ball, and the next one is a frisbee. We are using all this type of sports equipment in our school. The next one is a saucer cones and hurdles. You know very well that to play some running race and all, we are using this type of saucer cones and hurdles in our school. The next you are seeing is a hula hoops and this is we are using to have some fun activities in the playground. Available local equipments are balls, goalposts, rackets, sticks, bats and clubs, flying disc, nets, rods and tackle and also wickets and bases. And then we are using some ropes also in our school to do some activities. How do you maintain sports equipments? So children, when you are using the sports equipment, you have to be very careful, and also after using that, you have to keep it in a correct position, and also you have to store it in your storeroom, and some equipment you have to keep it in a separate bags, and you have to keep it in a separate bins. So like that you have to maintain the sports equipments. So let's see some local games and minor games. The first one is Coco. Second one is Kabaddi. This is Pittu. Tire rolling. Then next one, blind man's buff. In Tamil we used to say Kannamuchi. Tug of war. Hopscotch. Ludo. Marbles. Carrom board. Lock and key. Hide and seek. Gilli danda. Statue game. Drop the hand key. Skipping. So children, these are some local games and minor games. Outdoor play helps children to be social, have fun, learn to follow rules, expend energy, improve physical fitness, play as a team. So children, play well, do some exercise, eat well, sleep well, take care of your body.